Hello everyone, welcome again in the live session. So in this live session, we are going to learn about a 3D design and we will be making a minion, a creator. As you all know, we are making that. So for making the 3D design, you will have the software that's Tinkercad. So I'll share my screen and will let you know how it looks like. And we will start beginning the design part. Before that, we also did 3D designing with the cup. So I think you remember the steps. If you don't remember, you can watch our video for making the cup. I give the brief description of how to open Tinkercad and things. Here also I'm explaining you. So I'm sharing my screen with all of you. I think the screen is visible for all. This is a software. Its name is Tinkercad. When you type in the new tab Tinkercad, like I'm typing, when you type Tinkercad, you will get lots of links. And when you click on simple Tinkercad, you will get this link www.tinkercad.com. You're going to click on this Tinkercad 3D digital design. Once you click on if you're new here, then you need to register yourself first. You can sign in with the Google account. And I have already signed into the account, so it gives me the option to create the project. So what I usually do is I'll go to the design part. I will go to the new part and I will select the 3D design. So I'll close this tab, and because this tab is already open here. So today we are going to make a minion, and what things we need to make it. First, I will take cylinder and let me check the parameter of the cylinder is 2020. It's fine. And the height will be 20 also. Okay. Then the next part I want is this. So I'll just take this one and I will align them both. Okay. So what I am going to do, I have two methods. I can drag my cursor like this, or I can use shift click, shift click. Okay. So both you can select. Now I click on this. I just click on the center part and it's like that. Now what you're going to do is you hold this and you will move it above like this. Okay, I think this is fine. Now what we will do, I will see the front view. It's absolutely fine. I will group them together like this way. And the color I will pick is this yellow, and I'm just moving it with the arrow. Okay. Now the next part is I will just select this one. I'll click on this and I will do 180-degree rotation. It's like that. And I'll select again this component over here. The parameter must be 2020. Just make sure I'll click shift, this and this. I will align both. Like this way. Now I'll hold this, I'll hold the arrow and I will move it like this. Okay, great. So I will do the grouping again. So the grouping part is also done. Now, what is the next part? The next part is the costume part we will be making for this. So for making the costume, what we will do is that I will simply duplicate this. And I want to cut this section over here like with this. So I'll simply touch this, I'll do this, and this should have some rotation. So I will do the rotation part. And here I will do 90-degree rotation. Let's see. Okay, nothing happens. Okay, I think this is fine. So I will select both, like shift this, shift this and shift press this, and now I will align. So I'll align like this. Okay, it's aligned. But the thing is, it should be, it's like 22, 22. I will make it 24 and 24. Okay, and now I'll move it like this, like this. Okay, got it. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just move it above because I want to cut this section out, this one. So I will make this sphere as whole hollow, and I'll just group them together. So if you want to cut something in a shape, then you can do this way. Now the next part is I will take out the box again, and I will align this box as previously you did. Then I'll select both. I will do the align, center, center, center. And then I want to see that it's tilt a little bit. So I don't want that. I will do like, I will rotate it like this way. It's very much, actually, I will rotate it with 10 degrees only. So I think it's fine. Yeah. And this should be a little bit more. Okay. And now I will move it up. Little bit up. Okay. I'll make it hollow and I will group them together. Oh. So let me check it from this side. It's not completely coming over here. It's a little bit. Remove this. Okay, that's fine. Now let me group that. So this is done. This is not actually done, but it's fine. I can take another box actually. I can align both again. Center, center, and center. If I'll move it above, okay. And I can hold it and move it upside. Move it upside. Yeah, like this way. This should be hollow and I will group it. Okay, great. Now I will change this color as some blue color and I will align them both. So I will align, and align. That's it. So this is ready, but the thing is, it's a kind of shade only because the width is similar. So let's make it 22 and 22. Oh, I did this with the minion width. No, I want this blue one. So this width, I'll make it as 22 and 22. And now I will align both. So 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Okay. This is done. Yeah. Okay. This is the front part. Yes. So now what the next part is, I'll just hold it. I'll just move it a little bit down. And the next part is I will take this one I will rotate this one. Like I will rotate it 180 degrees. And the color I'll give as some bluish color like this blue. And now I will select this completely. And this, now I'll do a line. This and this. And now I will hold this and I will do, I'll hold this, I will do this. Now, one more time. Let me undo this. So while aligning, I'll move this and move it down, kind of, okay? And then move it little bit inside and move it above, bit above. That's it. Okay, if I move it to the front side, it's fine. Okay. And this is fine. Okay, now what the next part is, I want to make legs. So I'll take cylinder and I will ready the part. So I'll make it 10, 10, and the height I will make it as 10 also. And now I'll take this circle sphere. So this I will make as 5. This I will make as 5. And this also I'll make as 5. Okay, so I think this is done. Now we have to align both. So it should be centered. It should be centered. That's it. And it should be like this. Okay. I think this is done. The leg part and this part. Actually, I will be making it as 8. And this also 8. And kind of like this. And like this. Okay, this is fine. Now I'll just do duplicate of the same part. Okay. And now what I will do is that I will select the complete shape. I will be moving it here and bit above like this. And I will select the complete part. I will be moving it here and bit above like this. Okay. Let me check from back part also. No, it's not moved. That's why you have to check the back part also, you know, because it is very important. Okay, that's it. Now, if I'll see, this is fine, absolutely fine. Okay, the front part is for the minion is fine. That's okay. Now, what should be the color? So I'll make yellow only. And this one also I'll make yellow color. And this will be the blue color. That will be fine. Okay, now the next part is I will just move it little bit down because I have to make base part also now for my minion. So yeah, that's why I want it to be down. And it should be like this, I think. Yeah. So for the face part, I want to prepare the eye part first. I'll just take this ring. And this is 2020. I'll make it as 23, 24. And this will also be 24. Okay. Now, height I will make as 2. I want it to be very, very small. And it should be like this. Okay, that's fine. It should be 24 and 24. That's it. Now let me check, is this ring fit perfectly over there? So I'll select this complete part. Then I'll press shift and select this and let me align both. Oh. Okay, now let me move it above and let me check from all sides. Okay, it's fine. It's fine with the minion part. Okay, one more thing, like, yeah, that's what I was looking for. Okay, so this 24 will be fine. Now let me prepare the eye part. So let me just hold this above and it should be like this. Now what I'm going to do is I will select this and let me zoom in. And this part, yes, 90 degrees. Okay, I'm just holding it. I'm just moving it above. If I'm moving it to the right side and do the minus part. Ooh, where's that? It's there. So let me move this away. I'm just holding this and moving it here. That's it. Oh, okay, wait. This is fine. This is fine. Let me move it above. Okay. Now this is also fine. Let me move it above. Okay. Now this will be 90 and move it down a bit towards it. It should be down like this. And this should be 5, 5. And 5. Okay. So I think this is done now. I'll move it down. Yes, I want to move it here only and bit here. Okay. Now the next part is that I want I should be of black color. So I'm just taking this and I want to rotate it with 90. Hey. No, I'm just deleting it for a while. Let me take another one. By the way, I just move it little bit inside like this way. So it should be solid cylinder and this should be 90 and this should be of black color and it should be free and the height will be like this way. And when I just zoom in, I have to hold it where there's no dot and I will move it here. Let me move it back. Let me move it above to cross. Okay. I'll just hold it. Okay. And to move it above. Move it front side. Move it above. Move it more front side. Move it above. Okay, and then move it here. Right here. But I want the height should be less. Okay. Don't hold it from any kind of dot. It should be, you know, properly. Like you can hold it properly. Like this way. Okay. So I think the eyes are ready. What I'm going to do is I will select this and this and I will do copy. I'm just moving it here. Okay, that's great. Now I want to fit eyes to my minion. So let me take this, a view. This is the front view. Okay. I press shift this, this, so that the complete part can move. Okay, I'll move it here. Then I will move it above. Kind of. And it should be rotated towards the side. That will be cool. And you can see my minion. So I can hold the ring and move it like this. Wow, that looks cool. Okay. Now I want to make the face, like make the mouth part for my minion. So for that, I will use this again. Okay. I'll use the rotation that will be 90. And again, 90, it's 180. Okay. That's it. Now it should be 5. It should be 5. The height should be 5. That's it. Okay. Now I'll just zoom in. I will hold this. I will move it above. I will move it here. And just hold it and just hold the arrow like this and move it here. Move it this side. Rotate it little bit of 15 degrees, suppose. It should be minus 15 then. Minus 45 degree. Let's see. Okay, and bit inside. And it should be down. Like this. Ooh. And this should be of red color. Okay, this is fine. I think I can make copy of it. This copy has similar, like less height. Oh, okay. I'll just undo this. And here, I'll just hold the arrow, make a laughter with this. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, so my minion mouth and eyes and everything is ready. And now what next is, I just want to make hands for my minion. And then my minion is ready. So, okay, for making the hands and the hands part. Okay, I'll take these. I'll just make it as 10 and 10. And this is fine. I'll just move it here a little bit. Okay, towards the minion. And move it above, move it above, move it above, move it above, like this. Great. And this should be 8 and 8. Okay, that's fine. What I will do, I'll just do copy. And this should come over here. Let me check. Yeah. This is fine. Absolutely fine. Okay, this is done. So, okay. Basically, I designed this minion to understand, the child concept, like how a child can understand the concept. So based on that, I designed this funky minion, and you can create this kind of minion by yourself, and it looks cool, good. You can add more things to the minion, whatever you wish to add in your minion design, you can add. You can create, these hands also with the sphere balls like this. You can give parameter to the sphere balls, like it's 2020 right now. The important thing is the parameter. If you will give good, exact, accurate parameters, you will definitely create these minions. See, ta-da! So this way you can just copy this completely and just move it to the other side, like this way. That's it. So your minion is ready, everyone, and you can create your minion exactly like this way. So yeah, everyone, this is all about how you can create your 3D character and a design. You can even move it little down, okay? And little bit here, because what I feel is that yours of the minions are like, and I think these pairs are not aligned, so you just need to align them accordingly. Okay, this is pair also need to align accordingly. So everyone, your character is ready. You can create your own character with 3D designing. It's really interesting. I know that, it's quite difficult for you, but let me tell you some terms. If you want to select more components, suppose this is your minion, what happened when you select only one component and move it up and down, then the complete design can be, changed. So what you will do, you will press shift, you will click on the particular component that you want to move on. Okay, and then you can select and you can move them. Otherwise, you can drag the complete design, and then you can move it back, front, here and here. Okay, wherever you want your design to move, you can do it like this. If you're holding a mouse, then the wheel of the mouse you can hold and you can move your design like this way. Okay, whatever the way you want to see, you can. You can zoom out this way, you can zoom in this way. Okay, zoom out, zoom in, whatever you want. Now, if you want to grouping something, suppose I want to make a hole for this box. So I just take hollow cylinder and I'm just taking a this square and I will do align. I'll select both. I will do align. Align means you will click on center points always. And what you can do grouping. So you can see that there is a hole inside this. Okay. So one hollow shape will cut out from the solid part. So this way you can do alignment, grouping, okay, and how to move your shape. You can definitely do this. You can change the view from here. So this is all about today's session. I hope you like the session. And please send us your 3D designs. If you are interested to make 3D design, we have 3D design course as well. You can definitely go to our website and check our courses. And yes, everyone, we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.